Hi friends, welcome to the 9th edition of Turin and Picureancapital. I'm here today with a special person, is Alex. Hi Alex, how are you?
Hi, perfect. Thank you.
So let's see who Alex is. Who are you? Tell us about yourself.
I'm a student, architecture student. At the same time studying in both universities, in Kiev in Ukraine and here in Turin in Politecnico.
Wow, that must be a big change. Is it a big change?
Yes, I really like this place that I could have chance to study here and to meet with new people and new culture. Yes.
And what is the thing in Turin that you like the most so far?
First of all, here's really good climate for living, with some mountain, fresh air and good nature of Southern Europe. Actually, beautiful city with some old buildings, cool architecture, really tasty food.
Okay, very good. And how is it to study in Politecnico? Do you like it? How
Yes.
does it? What's different from Kiev?
Here is more light system of education, because if compares it with Kiev education, in Ukraine we have more technical basics, but here you could show your talents in drawings, in
different areas.
Yes.
So you explore more. Okay, so it's a different approach. And tell us about your plans for the future. What is your dream job?
I want to move here with my family and find a job with good salary, a lot of new friends, some chance for living here. So important because level of life here is much higher.
And so you can see yourself in Southern Europe, in Italy, and in Turin.
Yes.
Okay. Very nice. We are all very proud friends, as you can easily imagine. And so one last question. If you have to give an advice to people visit, why should people come over to Turin and what will they like?
Like tourists or?
Yeah, tourists or even professionals, anyone, explorers.
I found here a lot of positive things. For example, how local transport are developed, how a lot of different services for tourists is developed in Italy and also in Turin. There's really a lot of people for visit and to show some place. They really want to help you with everything. So it's important.
Yeah, and we are loud too. You can hear people. So this is an interesting thing that you mentioned, the public transportation line. In fact, in Turin, it's quite easy to move, right?
Yes, and visit all Piedmont region. It's not complicated.
Yeah. Okay. So this is one easy thing. Okay. Thank you very much, Alex.
My pleasure.
Good luck with your studies and your future.
Thank you so much.